So, today is a day that I personally have been waiting for, and so is this one, and it ain't on one of my cars. So today, what we're doing is stripping the wheels and hubs off in preparation for some split image modded hubs. So she's doing the full 5x114 conversion. Anyone that knows her already knows that she is on 5x114s already. But we're running adapters, and the specs of these VSXXs are saying no with the E36 stock body.
And the specs of my wheels that are on a boat are saying an extra big no, because they're bigger with a more aggressive offset than these as well.
So, compulsive decision to buy another set of wheels has prompted this choice, as well as we've got, what date are we on today?
It's the
22nd of September, and on the 14th of October we're taking her on her first drift day. So 14th of October drift day down at Drift Limits again with the same gang again, for my birthday bash, because it's the day after my birthday.
It's actually a birthday present from me.
Yeah. So we've decided to book this on as well and let Soph try and actually drive on a track. Deacon, if you're listening, you're still a massive pussy. And we booked it, thought, yeah, sweet, happy days, and then, like Sophie said, literally within seconds of booking it, we were like, shit, it's still got stock seats in it, it's got no hydro in it, and your wheels don't fit, and your tyres are too big.
And an OEM steering wheel that will blow up in my face if I crash.
Yeah, that's another good point that I raised yesterday. So what we've decided to do, well, I actually picked up some seats earlier this week, and I think Sophie's decided she's going to have them. And yesterday she actually fitted the seat and, well, one of the seats out of the pair and a spare steering wheel we had before I could even get the camera out. So she's got one of these in the car now and a steering wheel. But like I say, today's video spread between today and tomorrow-ish. It's going to be getting the rear trailing arms off, to press the rear bearings out, and the rear hubs, and look at splitting the front hubs off the spindles, ready to get Charlie or split images modded hubs on the car. So it's, for the rear, it's shafts, coilover, lower arm, upper arm, brake caliper.
Can we take the stupid spring adjusters out so it sits low and looks cool?
Well, you know now that your wheels are actually going to fit.
I look dreadful in that fish eyes, you.
You are going to be able to lower your car more.
Yay!
Because your tyres won't be smashing your arches.
We can talk, bitch.
Yeah, well, somehow it was talking anyway, but...
Yeah, but before we put the adjusters in, it was properly tucking.
It won't be squatting towards the floor. Won't be face down, ass up anymore.
Yeah, well, we only did that so I could fit my wheels, didn't we?
Yeah.
It wasn't cool, but something needed to fit.
For the fronts, even though I've never done the fronts before, I'm pretty sure this cover comes out, and your brake caliper, and then you're free to get, and your brake disc obviously, and then you're free to get the hub off afterwards. I think we're starting with fronts first.
Who did these all?
I've got an idea.
Fucking hell, he's nearly as tight as my wheel bolts were. I'm gonna shoot myself if I fucking... Not quite as tight as the other one. Who the fuck did these up?
Oh, Captain Overtalker.
Must be on the last few threads and I just didn't want it to bang me in. You can go just there.
Ta-da. Oh, hello. Oh.
In one.
Nail. Now I'm hoping one of my sockets that I've bought for work fit that. I'm pretty sure I remember hearing that they're a 46mm. And this is an Alfred's inch and 13/16, which equates to about 46mm.
There's a bit of plate in that.
Ah well, gonna sort it. You're gonna want to keep hold of that up.
Oh yeah. Should I put something in it?
Probably some bolts.
What do you mean some bolts?
No problem.
Milwaukee, baby.
Oh, you didn't do that one up.
Let's score it off.
A bit more leverage, I think you'll be alright.
Oh, why we come out of a car?
And again. Oh yeah. She's coming.
Oh, I'm just bending me.
I might get involved and all.
Get away from me, you.
There she is, look. Easy as that. I can cut it off anyway. Straight on wheel.
Whoops. More than I can't break this, I'm bothered about. Foot wheel. Whoops.
So, front's off. Easy as that. Nice and simple. Now, madam is attacking the rears. What's its brake caliper first?
Find my head there.
Can't afford to do that many more times.
Hot.
You're hot.
Yeah. Well, good news is these bolts were also tight, so I did these ones up. Oh no. Is it dropped out behind me?
What, the exhaust?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, that's fine then. Take that one off me.
Oh.
I couldn't tell if my whole exhaust had dropped or just the end of it. I was like, there's an exhaust on my shoulder.
Oh, the car there.
What?
Do it, pigeon.
What was I not doing with it as well? Horrific angle now. Oh, wrong way. You got it?
Yeah.
What?
I'm waiting for you to get your shaft out.
No. Oh, you know, I'm not going fast enough. I'm in trouble. In theory. We've pulled this one out a bit, haven't we? So it's...
What a fire.
You know, because we've... no, Jack, stop doing that. I'm just getting it stuck at the bottom. Yeah, it needs to come down, not up. So...
New day. I had work early in the morning. It was 2 days ago. I had work early the morning after. We were here the other night, so decided to call it a day at that and then come back. The hubs have now arrived, so Sophia's on her way. She's got them with her. But what I am doing is getting out a slide hammer that I'm going to attempt to pull these rear hubs out with. My plan is to get, damn, that's just too big. See if I can get that in there. If not, I've bought the size down, so that should do as well, hopefully. Start yanking on it and see if these hubs will move at all. Hopefully. Well, that ain't working, so took it upon ourselves to try the last resort before having to take the arms off. And that's the old air hammer job. So, plan here is, and she's only just finding this out, while Soph pulls back on this, I am going to be the other side of the hub with the air hammer, and I'm going to air hammer against that just to try and, while she's pulling it, and the air hammer from the other side, it should budge it. If not, it's getting put in a 10-ton press and doing the proper way, but this is just us trying to bodge getting them out because I want to get them back in the car without having to take the arms off, but we'll see. I've not even thought about how we're going to get the new ones in yet. So we'll get to that when it comes to it. Not budging.
Brother!
Trailing arm's gonna have to come off. I'm afraid. Trailing arms off is just gonna be the easiest way of doing this.
So if I undo the camber arm and the spring bucket,
yeah,
it should probably half fall off and hit me in the face anyway, and then undo them 3 bolts.
Undo them 3.
I'll crack them off now, but I'll not undo them.
Yeah, so undo your bottom one.
I'm gonna crack them off, undo that.
Yeah.
Then play catch?
Yeah.
Oh no. Look. My bollocks handbrake cables.
Yes. Here she goes. This one's moving lovely. Plans have changed. Turns out doing them without wheel bearings is a pain in the arse. When the hubs came out, they got stuck to the inner race of the bearings, and one of the bearings has popped its inner race out. So basically I'm separating that to see if I can put it back in the bearing. But in the meantime, we did have a spare one lying around, so I'm about to put that in the press. And then see if I can get the other one back together. If not, get a new one for tomorrow.
And we've learned that this car is not going for an alignment in 36 hours time.
Completely forgot to record it, not bothered, it's getting late. We're in a rush. It's pressing the bearing in. I'm sure you understand how that works. Bearing's in. So that's ready for receiving its hub.
You said that in a really strange way.
So stick the hub in that. And before I do the hub tomorrow, I need to remember to use it to mark the brake discs out, to drill the brake discs. Otherwise, I will kick and scream like a kid. Oh, shake them. There you go. Yeah, so what we'll do is we'll stick it in the press and then...
like that?
Yeah, put something flat on the centre ball and it'll slowly work its way in, just like the front ones did on the splines. On the splines?
I was saying,
On the spindle.
they didn't have splines in the front.
Long day. So yeah, we'll get that pressed in, get this trailing arm on tonight, and then go home. Day 3. You fucker.
Do you know what will fit? Stay there.
Insert penis joke here. Not that.
Argue with me again. I hope people can see what I've just done.
So can I. So do I, because it's going to dint it.
Like Ben would care. I find it funny. That felt like a downwards.
Yes.
That was a bit of engineering from me.
Well done, darling. Learn from best, haven't you? Good noise, Iris. She's in.
See what I did? I grabbed a large piece of checker plate.
Round of applause.
And stuffed the corner in. It's got a nice dint in it now, but it's not been used anyway. You wanted that, Ben? Sorry. We'll put another one in it so it looks like it's got a pair of boobies. That's not far enough through there. It's not going to go.
No, it not be, but we need to, yeah, the handbrake cable, we need to lift the hub up first to get it through properly. But cool, that one's in. Put your spring in, put your shock up, and then that's ready for its brakes tomorrow. Just the other trailing arm to do now. But I believe we're going to need a bearing for it. Just going to go and have one last go, see if I can get it sorted. If not, then we'll get another bearing tomorrow. Oh, you shouldn't leave one bearing not done. Right, after twatting the hand with the hammer a few times, bearing's out. Ready for tomorrow. We get a new bearing, stick the new hub in straight away, Bosch in the car. Longest part to tomorrow should be drilling the brake discs, especially because they've had heat cycles. They're not brand new brake discs. So we'll see how that goes tomorrow, but that sounds like a Thursday evening jack issue, not a Wednesday evening jack issue. Hello and welcome back to what is now day 3 of the hub swap fiasco. It's been a bit annoying because I've been finishing work late every day and having to get up early the next day, so we've been having quite short evenings. It's only been like 4 hours total actual work so far put into the thing, but spread over a course of days. The last bearing, I have it. So that means we can get these in the trailing arm that's down there. So let's get started. Good shit. Circlip in, hub in, last arm done. Easy. Even with the world's bendiest circlip pliers. Right. How have I been doing this? I can't remember. Oh yeah. Look at that. Straight in. No problem. Very nice. Gosh, done. Another. I also forgot to mention that while I was cocking about with the rear arms last night, Sophie was in here getting the fronts on. So the fronts are mounted, which is lovely. I've marked all the brake discs to start drilling them, so all I've got to do now is get this other arm in. I can let Soph put the drive shafts in while I drill the brake discs. You will have to excuse the camera angles for a little while. Sophie's not here yet, she's still at work. I got off early, felt like dossing. So I've got about an hour until Sophie gets here, so let's see what we can make happen. Arm in. It's literally 3 bolts in there, bolt down here, bolt up here, drive shaft, done. So I've done it twice now, and I think I recorded us doing it yesterday, so not showing you again. But right, arms in. When Sophie gets back, Sophie can finish all this stuff up, put in drive shafts in, put the anti-roll bar back on. We can tighten everything up, because she's got a habit of either doing things far too tight or not tight enough at all. So I'll nut and bolt check the car. But yeah, I'll let Sophie get on with the rest of this. Meanwhile, I'm going to try and get through brake discs with a drill bit. Thank the Lord for cobalt bits, that's all I'll say. What I am just doing now though, quickly, before I move on, is I'm just trying to get the trailing arms to where they somewhat looked. But the trouble is, you can see the nut on 2 different parts from where before it had its alignment, and it's had its alignment since. Just going to stick a bit of the Old Faithful in the new hubs, because this shit makes getting drive shafts out a 5-minute job rather than a 2-hour ordeal. Some of that all in your splines. Wish I'd have worn a glove for that. Oh! Oh god, that one. Straight in, no problem. There we go, she can do that bit. Not bothered. Right, handbrake cable is done both sides, not cable, assembly, whatever. Now it's time to see how hard this is going to be. Got my marks marked out that I used the hub for. So now I'm just going to centre punch them all. Try and go through them with a pilot bit and then see how this goes. Actually centre punched fairly nice. So let's see how it drills. Easy as that. Now only 19 more to do. So I've gone in with, I think that's a 4mm, like butter. So, while Noisy Bugger cracks on with getting her drive shafts back together, carry on drilling these out. Then get the step bit out and try and match the hole size with the other ones. See how accurate I was without a jig. Not bad if I say so myself. God, I'm weak. Oh. Don't worry about me anymore. No jig. Lovely stuff. Piece of cake, pal.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezes.
3 more, well, 2.5 more to go. So the hubs are now drilled. You watched me do 2, so I wasn't going to show you the rest. And we've got all the discs on, all the brakes on, and the front 2 wheels on. So, there you have it, look. Bosh. Both front wheels, lovely stuff. And she's just bolting up the rest of her suspension so that we can test drive it. And then next weekend, Saturday morning, she's got an alignment for it. And then the only other thing that we need to do to this car to get it ready for the first drift day is hydro and a seat harness. Right, everything's tight to our knowledge.
It's tighter than it was when we lifted the car up on Monday night, which is what matters.
Yes. So now we are just going to pull some camber out, eyeball it, just for the sake of the test drive. Like I said, it's getting an alignment, so it doesn't really matter, but just for the sake of the test drive and the longevity of the tyres, I'm going to pull some camber out because you can see that even sagging in the air, you can still see some negative camber in that. So, thankfully, we've got adjustable arms, so taking camber out is extremely easy. 4 spins. We're definitely looking straighter anyway. Anyone would think I'm an engineer for a living. Can't work a bastard adjustable spanner now. Cool. Same
This
again
one.
on the side.
Looks like a gate, innit? Oh, chin. My fucking wrist's gone.
Yes.
Did you not get a wheel bolt?
Yeah, I've got wheel bolts. I ain't got a 17. I don't know what you've done with it.
Throw it back.
I regret to inform you it is not in its hole.
Dunno. Is that camera running?
Yes.
Oh, for fuck's sake. There's 2 sockets over here.
Yeah, but a 16 and 18.
Oh. Get off me. Lined it up and everything, man.
Well,
So you go for it.
Oh, you're starting your wheel bolts with gum.
That's only... should I put my exhaust back on?
yeah. Moment of truth.
If it don't roll away.
Oh well. Oh, look at that look. Proper job.
I wish I'd not rolled my arches now. Nah, there's something to do.
Took all the fingers.
Oh! I've never been able to do that since we've done this car.
Bloody hell, she's got full hand in there. Happy days.
Fucking room for a spacer in that fucker. Do you know what there is room for? Those wheels that are on a boat that are 1/2 inch wider with a more aggressive offset. That's what they've room for in there. Yummy.
Right, get it outside then.
I
wanna go to bed.
I'm not tired.
Just come to get blocks of wood out to put car back on floor, and I found 2 mysterious bolts. We got ahead of ourselves.
You put this one back on.
Yeah, no brake caliper on it. So, because we took the spacers out at the back, we've took the spring adjusters out, because the spring adjusters were in to stop the tyre from sitting, well, to stop the arch from sitting on the tyre. So I took the spring adjusters out, and it's actually tucking tyre a bit now, which is sick. It's what we're after. But it's made the entire car that low that we can't get it off the lift without wood now, so I've had to put it back up in the air and get some wood in the front. But look at that, that looks so much better. It's not got a massive squat on now like it did, so we'll wait for her to drive it out and see what the verdict is. Fuck yeah. I don't hear any rubbing. And that rear fitment looks gangster.
Oh, nothing's knocking or banging, and the handbrake works.
Yeah, I literally just said exactly the same thing on the camera. I says I can't hear anything rubbing on the way out.
No.
No banging, no knocking, no rubbing.
How does
Handbrake
the back
works. Looks sick.
Is it
Looks so much better.
How close to the lift hammer?
You're on uneven ground at the minute, so it's not
The
fair.
other side of. Oh yeah.
But
I can't turn around. in
better.
this. Well, it was only to fit the wheel.
I can assure you, much better. This is never gonna translate over camera because probably nobody's paid attention as much as me, but this thing looks so much better now that the rear end is sat further down. The ground is dead hard to get level, but like it just doesn't look like it's tilted facing to the floor anymore. Chuffed to bits. Great. Everything good on the test drive, yeah?
Well,
I'll call this the end of the Dual Pcd Hub installation. Split image, lad called Charlie, got a sick V8 swapped 36. He gets, or does it himself, the CNC machining on the hubs, and they've fitted perfectly. OEM quality, lovely stuff, and the actual measurement of the PCD is perfect as well, so nothing to complain about. Hit up Split Image, find him on Instagram, and he's got his products on eBay as well. Yeah, safe.